If you guys are holding XRP, you are not going to want to miss this video. Now, as well, if you guys are holding XRP, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It's going to help to share this videos with other people that need to hear about XRP and this particular message. But what is going on right now? This is the ultimate shakeout. The ultimate shakeout before the final leg of the bull market. And for XRP, I'm still confident we're going to reach $5 to $7 at the very bare minimum. Some people are calling $20 to $30 for one XRP coin. Let me know if you guys think that is realistic. Also in the comments, let me know your price prediction for XRP this bull market. Now, according to the 4-year cycle, Bitcoin is supposed to top out towards the end of October. And this is going to be a time where you're going to definitely want to be taking profits and trimming some profits, reducing your exposure, because these bear markets, they get very violent, very nasty, very quickly. And you don't want to be left holding the bag and round tripping a lot of profits like the majority of people do every single cycle. The great thing about bear markets is they only last 1 year, and that's supposed to start once Bitcoin tops. It's lasting for about 1 year. So crypto should go down for about 1 year exactly, and then they're eventually going to bottom. So if you guys are able to sell and take profits for XRP and other cryptos at the top, you wait for 1 year, and then you could buy the dip and start dollar cost averaging in to Bitcoin and to your favorite cryptos such as XRP. You're going to be able to buy a lot more cryptos, and if this is your second cycle, you'll probably be able to retire. Now, this is not financial advice, but if you have enough money and you buy the bear market bottom and you continue to hold for 3 years and catch the entire move, there's a chance that you can make a lot of money, potentially life-changing money and retiring type of money. Now, what is going on right now is a massive shakeout, a massive manipulation. There is no bad news. In fact, there's only good news. We recently had the confirmation last week, I believe Friday, the Ripple case, SEC case ending. That's very bullish for XRP. And then we also have the Fed cutting. The Fed is now dovish, and they said they're going to be cutting rates. That is extremely bullish. Some people are like, oh, it could be priced in. No, rate cuts are not priced in. Rate cuts are a physical event, just like a halving event. It's a massive financial economic event that injects liquidity into the markets. Over time, rate cuts are very, very bullish. And in the offset, just right in the beginning, there might be a little bit of volatility because, people might be taking profits or pricing in this and pricing in that, but that is just temporary. Long term, rate cuts are extremely bullish for the stock market and cryptos, risk assets, and a whole bunch of assets like houses and everything. You're going to see prices start to go up. But behind the scenes, whales are buying XRP, whales are buying Bitcoin, and we've recently seen a massive record number of Bitcoin ETF outflows that have been going on for the past 5 days. And typically when you see a massive amount of outflows for Bitcoin in the ETFs, that usually will mark a bottom. Bitcoin has literally been correcting for about 14 days, almost 14 days, 12 to 14 days straight. And that's typically the amount of time after such a correction, cryptos are going to start bouncing up. The reason for the crash this past weekend was profit taking. There was a lot of leverage in the market, but one particular whale sold 24,000 Bitcoin at one go, and that literally liquidated a bunch of people, caused a massive chain reaction. People started panic selling, and now the market is just starting to bottom out from this crashing correction. We're starting to go up. If you notice XRP, the XRP chart, we are starting to form higher lows. So XRP is still holding support. XRP technically is still very bullish, and this is at a massive discount. XRP is at key support. You want to be buying XRP at key support. Some people are predicting a massive crash in September, and that could take place. I think that might be even realistic because typically in the 4-year cycles for Bitcoin and cryptos, there will usually be a massive crash in September. That will be the bottom, and then we continue to trend up for a couple of months. Just like last year, the summer we were chopping around just like we are right now, and in September, we end up bottoming out, slowly started grinding up, and then October is when things start to get really, really crazy. I'm expecting towards the end of September and October beginning is when things are going to be getting really crazy for cryptos, including XRP. And make sure you guys join my private community on the WAP where you guys can follow my trades as a 7-figure trader. If you guys want to learn how to trade, I also have a VIP tier where you can learn how to trade with me. And you guys could try today for free. As well, I highly recommend that you guys try my AlgoSniper Trading Indicator. That is also free. You guys can try it. And that you guys are trading on the proper platforms. Now, if you guys are going to be trading crypto, buying crypto, holding them, you want to be using Kraken Pro. That's where I personally keep the majority of my money. And then if you guys want to get into leverage trading, you want to use Blofin. Kraken Pro has the cheapest fees. Blofin has the cheapest fees. And if you guys sign up using my link, there's massive bonuses. And you can also lock in a cheaper fee discount by just using my link below because I'm a massive partner with those exchanges. Everything I'm talking about is in my video description. Now, continue to have patience. This market is very shaky right now. They're trying to shake people out. They want you to sell. And as soon as you sell, the market is going to start pumping. Those who have patience in this market will truly be rewarded. Now, if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.